G'day, B-Dubbed here, and how you doing? In today's video we're going to continue working on the Baja, and we're going to get in under the bonnet and start work there. So the next step in moving from the front to the back, we need to do work what's under the bonnet. So that's all the electrics, the dashboard, the fuel tank, etc. So to do that, the easiest way is probably to take the bonnet off. So let's do that now. I'm assuming they're 13s. Good. Let's go where we're going to put it. So Josh has finished painting, and that's what the back of the dash looks like now. So we're going to install the window wipers. So that's the motor, but on this side the thread is actually snapped off. So we'll need to replace this piece here. Otherwise you won't be able to bolt on the window wipers. This is the part. So it's the wiper shaft. So that's what we're going to be installing. So let's do that next. So these nuts are 17s. So I'm just going to take them off. And then it should be a split ring, and I just need to take that off and then it's free.
That was easy.
Yeah, came off okay. So just check the new one. stuff off. Okay, I just want to set these at the same. So they're not... That one's going to go down a bit, doesn't it?
Yeah, that's fine. No,
Think so?
we've only gone down one, I think.
No. One more. One more.
No. That was fine, I think. I'd say it's perfect.
It's perfect. It's just a little washer, which this one doesn't have. So I'll move that across to there. All right. That's a lock washer. All right, so we needed to put that in there. And that through there.
So,
Sit.
push.
Yep. And to check, you just put the screwdriver in
And turn it.
and turn it. That looks fine. Oh, that's great. Oh. Just need one of those.
And that bolt.
Actually, that was first. Not sure why that was first, but let's put that on. Let's put that on.
That's fine. No, you don't want to give it time now.
Okay. So now that, if we take that off there, and then what should happen is this fuel evaporation tube or expansion tube should sit on that like that. Oh, where's the dent? There's the dent. So that's what we'll install next. So here's the bolt, and we're going to put on a washer, and that's the ground connection for the windscreen wipers, and all of that fits if you up underneath here.
Is it in?
I think so. Okay, now just put it behind, put your finger right behind it, just wiggle it.
Yes, for now.
And we really struggled to get that screw connected, but it's in now. So down here is the earth, and that plugs on there. Not the earth, the ground. Right, thanks so much for watching. Take care. God bless. Thanks again for watching, and be sure to like, share, subscribe, and leave me any comments.